Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to disable your Honda Pilot alarm. First, try pressing the unlock button on your key fob. If that doesn't work, insert your physical key into the driver's side door lock. Turn the key counterclockwise, then clockwise, to manually disarm the system. This should silence the alarm and allow you to enter your vehicle without further issues. If your alarm is blaring, the quickest method is often your key fob. Simply press the unlock button once. If the fob isn't working, use the physical key. Insert it into the driver's door lock, turn it to the unlock position, and hold it there for about 5 seconds. This action typically overrides the alarm system, allowing you to get inside and start your car. Sometimes the alarm might persist. First, check your car battery. A low charge can cause erratic behavior. Next, make sure all doors, the hood, and the trunk are securely closed, as open sensors can trigger the alarm. If these steps don't work, refer to your Honda Pilot owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your model. For recurring alarm issues, consider replacing your key fob battery, as a weak one can cause intermittent problems. Also, visually inspect your door and hood latch sensors for any visible damage or debris that might be preventing them from closing properly. If the problem continues, a professional diagnosis might be necessary. And hey, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.